Hey, this is Phil with PRR Computers, and we're going to play a quick little game here called What's Wrong with This Computer? So I've got a picture here of a desktop that's on the bench right now, and there are three things that are of concern looking inside the case of this computer. Can you tell what they are? I'm not going to wait too long. You can pause if you want to give yourself time to guess. The first thing that jumps out to me is over here, these little slots that where expansion cards can plug in. When those are left open like that, that's going to draw a lot of unnecessary dust into the case. So it's a good idea to replace those. They're actually very cheap if you don't have the originals for your desktop. Those are not hard to find. You can find them on eBay or maybe even Amazon. Typically they're called PC slot covers or something along those lines. So that's a good idea to keep unnecessary dust out of the case and also to optimize the airflow. You don't want air coming in from somewhere that you don't want it coming in. The second thing is the RAM chips over here. As you can see, we've got two different chips in these two slots, and then we got two empty slots here. Now, there's a couple issues. One is that these being two different colors, the likelihood that those are evenly matched in every single regard is in question. Only way to know that's to pull them and check. But perhaps the more important aspect of this is that motherboards tend to be, they want you to plug the RAM in a very specific way. And they will usually color code those as to which two you plug in first and which two you plug in second. In this case, this motherboard color coded two of the slots in blue and two of them in black. So according to the motherboard documentation, which would have to be looked up, it's going to be that either both blue slots are supposed to be occupied, or both black slots, or all four of them would be fine too. So that's the second item of concern. Now the third one I'm going to consider kind of bonus material, because I've been doing this for a long time, been working with computers for over 20 years, been running my own business, working on people's computers for 10 years, and I've never seen this. And it's a brand new one. So the bonus item is you're not supposed to use a Q-tip to hold the CPU heatsink and fan in place. That's a Q-tip jammed in there. Apparently one of the pins here broke or something, and the thing wasn't staying on. So, yep, that's a Q-tip. Now, I went and looked at Q-tip's website, and I even went through their entire section of their website, QTIPSHACKS, which they feature on their Instagram account and all of that. And I went through all of these, and while I did find one computer related to cleaning slots between keys on a keyboard, yeah, apparently this is not a use for Q-tips that Q-tips endorses. So, yeah, always remember, don't stick Q-tips directly into your ear canal. That can be very dangerous, and it actually doesn't do your ears any good to be aggressively cleaning the wax out of there when it's deep inside there, because it actually serves a natural purpose. Google it, look it up, it's true. And the second thing is you're not supposed to jam a Q-tip really anywhere inside your computer, I think. It should not be a permanent fixture on your computer. So that's today's What's Wrong with This Computer. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.